So this video is going to look at what I take bikepacking for a cooking setup. So see, we've got a lot of stuff set out here. So on the right hand side is what I take if it's just me or me and some friends. The center is what I take whether it's just myself or if I've gone with my son. And on the left hand side over here is what comes with me if I'm taking my son. He's 3.5. So if I'm going with just myself, I have a fire maple G3 650ml pot. Gas canister, obviously, and then I have both the Green Peak stove and the Hornet. I prefer the Green Peak, but I'm keeping a hold of the Hornet just in case I ever have any issues with the Green Peak and it doesn't work, so kind of as a backup and a spare. So with the 650ml pot, it's great for one person. I can boil water for a fire pot. Or I can make enough pasta for one person, or boil water for coffee, whatever it might be. I'm stepping up my cooking on my bikepacking trips this year. So we'll go through what's extra in the middle. This is actually new, I haven't used it yet. It is an Alpkit Mighty Pan 1200. I had previously used just an aluminium like 400ml pan. It was smaller than this, so this is lighter than that old aluminium pan, and it's slightly bigger. So when I'm cooking for me and the little man, enough can go in there for 2 people, and I don't have to cook his first and then cook mine. So in these bottles, they're just little travel bottles. I think it was £1 for a pack of 3 at Tesco or something. It's a bit of extra virgin olive oil, bit of balsamic vinegar, and a little bit of dish soap. So again, just cooking with, and for a bit of flavour. Pasta is kind of a go-to meal, especially when I have my son, but I don't like pasta sauce. So I like my pasta with balsamic vinegar and cheese, so that's what I put on it. Just a mug for coffee, and then my cutlery set is an Alpkit titanium spork and a titanium knife. Lighter, just in case the piezo fails. Little lightweight ceramic knife and peeler. Don't always take the peeler if it's just me, but it will come with me if I've got my son, because he's 3.5, so some days he doesn't like skin on a cucumber and some days he does. This is also a new investment. Again, I said I'm going to be stepping up my cooking to more than what I can just make in the petrol G3 or a fire pot or Wayfarer or some other camp meal. So a little squeezy bottle came in this. I'll probably swap the dish soap into this one instead of the other one, just to save a little bit of space. Little foldable cooking spoon and a foldable kitchen spatula. This is the MSR lightweight ultralight cooking kit or something. Technically this is salt and pepper shakers. I'm actually going to fill one side with like a spice mix, so with like some cayenne pepper, some paprika, chili powder, something like that, and the other side some kind of herb mix, like some basil or oregano, parsley, all 3, you never know, just again so food has a bit of flavour. A little cloth and a little chopping board. So what changes when I take my son with me? So obviously all this stuff in the middle comes with me. I leave the fire maple at home. So he has his own. He got this for Christmas. This is some of my my old stuff. He has little bikepacking bags for his bike as well. It's cute that this goes in. So it's just a little tiny mug that I got at Mountain Warehouse, and a cheap and cheerful spork and knife set to match Mama's. And then I swap the fire maple for my Alp Kit brew kit. So this is a litre, so you can make pasta for 2 in it. Have its own gas canister for it. Pot stand. The burner and igniter, stove bit, and a gas canister stand. This actually comes with me on both, but it lives in here. So that is what I take for the 2 of us. Also, because the Alp Kit one has basically what amounts to a beer cozy on the outside of it. If he does accidentally touch it while I'm cooking, he's not going to burn himself. So I just feel a bit safer having that. He never has grabbed onto it, but you never know with a toddler. So that is what I take. It is a lot heavier than the fire maple setup, I will say that. But it is perfect for 2 people. And then, yeah, like I said, a little pot comes so we can do things like scrambled eggs and bacon and sausages and whatever else we want to do. So that is my bikepacking setup for, like I said, when I'm on my own, or when I take my son. We're going away for our first trip in a couple of weeks of the year, so I'm very excited about it. He's very excited. He's been asking when we can go camping on the bikes again. So that is set up. So any questions, any comments, any concerns, do let me know. Or, you know, if you have a way that I can up my cooking game a bit more, let me know in the comments.